G'day, here's a nice big piece of seam opal with vibrant colours. It's been wetted to help show the colours. It's been roughly dremelled, I think. A few spots here to bring the colours out. Great backing on it there. Perhaps cut it down through there, make a long stone, or carry on and do a bit more carving. But it's quite a pretty piece, quite vibrant, semi sort of crystal sort of material. Anyway, someone who gets this will have some fun finishing it off. You will need to be able to polish it, undulating surfaces to do this properly. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.